Let's find out which individual stocks you're tracking, Nooresh.
So first is the buy on ICICI Bank. The stock over the last few weeks, every time it went closer to 980 to 1000, it recovered back, and now we are back to testing that 1050 levels. The long-term structure is positive, and the short-term consolidation around this 980 to 1050 mark seems to be giving a breakout indication. Once it sustains about 1050, it opens up a target price of 1150 to 1200 in the short term. Would be a range breakout, so it's a good risk-reward entry point right now. Stop loss at 1020, target price of 1150. Second is a buy on Grasim. The stock has been testing that 2180 to 2200 mark for the last few times in the last 3 weeks, roughly. Multiple attempts done. And every time after the attempt, it has cooled off a bit. But after these many attempts, I would expect a breakout here. So a buy at current levels, the stop loss at 2120, target price of 2400.
Okay, so that's the take coming in. Grasim as well as ICICI Bank are some of the stocks that Nooresh likes. Soni, what is your list looking like?
My first pick would be in Cummins. I think Cummins has given a good breakout. It's looking quite strong on options chain as well. So keeping a stop loss of 2590, you can buy at current levels, and on any small dip around 2650 also can be bought for a target of 2700 to 2720. The other stock would be for GNFC. I think GNFC is also looking good as in it's bouncing back from its current correction that has happened. So you can buy at current levels, keeping a stop loss of 660 and target of 700 to 705. And there's a disclaimer that I'd like to share that both the calls we've recommended to our clients in terms of call option. For Cummins, we've recommended in 2700 call option, and for GNFC, it's a 700 call option.
Okay, thanks very much for taking us through all of your top recommendations. Hope you guys have taken note.